Alrighty guys, I'm here. I think this is it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start. Is this it? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start a long video, guys. I'm about to go over my buddy's house. We getting ready to do some diagnosis. He said he got some lights on, y'all. 2011. Okay, it's 2011 Caravan. So what I'm gonna do now, I don't know how well this is gonna go. Oh, so the latch is manual from the bottom. Look at that, a fuel filter, external fuel filter. These days, long gone. We use a in-tank fuel filter now.
Them two screws right there, that's the only thing I'm catching hands with, getting them bitches off.
Oh, because they flare. You need a flare wrench. Ooh, and it look rounded off too. So he might have put pair of vice grips on.
I ain't want to script the bitch, you know.
What oh, that's what you getting ready to replace the radiator?
I got a new radiator.
It's the same size?
Yeah.
Look at this big old thing. Good Lord.
Yeah, brand new radiator.
He must be cooler lines going to the transmission.
Yeah. Yeah, I took it off.
So this thing runs.
Man, motherfucker, like a goddamn boy, please. Get up, boy.
Look at the size of this van.
I got another one. I got a 76 Monte Carlo.
That's what this is?
No, this is 72. But I got a 76. I redid the whole inside.
You don't want to have an accident in this thing.
Okay.
Well, I was thinking you don't have to get emissions.
No.
Yeah, because it's old.
Too old.
Yeah, it's too old to adhere to the state requirement. This is the evaporator coil.
Yeah.
AC. Expansion valve. Look at that old style expansion valve. Well, spark plugs, you can't get away from that. But a damn carburetor. I bet you need a timing light to set the.
Yeah, my man do all that.
Oh, he got a timing light?
Yeah,
I throw mine away because I never use it.
Yeah, you got it. See, I wish you gave it to me.
Look at that damn distributor. A freaking distributor, y'all. Yeah, that's how you adjust timing. You loosen that bolt back there, put your timing light. Look. Yeah, Dark Hemi. What y'all know about that? Philip III. Timing marks. I wonder if it's 8 degrees negatives or something like that. That's usually the specs. If your man do this, I bet he know he got access to the specs. Freaking timing marks. Holy crap. And that's the plan, get it back running, put it in rotation.
Yeah.
This thing is sweet. Uh-oh, you locked.
Yeah, I did that.
Oh, you did it on yourself?
Keep forgetting it.
Somebody try to steal it?
Shit.
What the hell? Are you serious?
Man,
you got the steering wheel? I thought the apartment complex did that.
No, I did it. Man, these motherfuckers getting an old car left to right.
Holy
you know
crap.
You didn't know they steal an old car?
No, I didn't know that. What they gonna do with it?
Shit, man, they taking these old cars, baby.
God.
They got me 5 years ago on my Monte Carlo.
Stole your Monte Carlo.
Sit on blocks, took the motor and everything out.
So this one you got to pump 2 times before you start it. Fill up the choke.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what that old technology.
Yep.
Back in the day when we go outside our car, hit the button 2 times, the gas pedal, fill that choke up. I guess brake technology ain't gonna never change. You always need a booster and a master cylinder. Alternator typically the same. Alternator change from the standpoint of external voltage regulators. Yeah, the computer do that now. Well, that's what's up, man.
Yeah, man. You see me, I'll be out in the road.
Yeah, you crazy.
I'm gonna start driving no more.
So what's the plan with this?
This van. I'm gonna sell this motherfucker.
Man, come on, man. Crazy, man.
Go, dog. I ain't playing no more.
Yeah, I'm smelling oil too. It might be.
It looks real bad.
But you keeping an eye on the oil level, right?
Oh yeah, I have to.
Because you don't want it to run low on oil.
I already did one time.
No, don't let it do that. It'll lock up on you.
I know that's I'm gonna believe me. That motherfucker had read that motherfucker all the way out.
Ooh. Get the oil fixed.
I done fixed the damn thing up here 2 times. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that
Let me see that. Is that so I did your cooler. Yeah, that ain't a Mopar. That's it's a plastic cooler, but it's not Mopar. You got it off eBay, you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely not a Mopar. I can't believe you talked me into putting this on.
Yeah, I know.
I had to be allowed. Everybody going with the aluminum Derman ones.
And it happened 2 times in a row.
It leaked twice?
2 times.
Oh yeah, that's that. It's plastic, but it's cheap plastic. Yeah. See, Mopar, there's plastic, but it's not cheap plastic. Alrighty, guys. Alright, I can fix this one, but I can't fix this one. This one out of my league. Philip the Third, 69 Dark Man, you older cats. If I had to work on this, I have to call y'all. Yeah, I changed. Uncle Mark old enough to know some of this stuff. Look at that fan right there. Look at the size of that monstrous fan. Like I say, the brake technology is still the same. Voltage regulator for the alternator. I don't know. I guess they bolted to the side of the frame somewhere. I don't want to look foolish and call out the wrong thing. Wiper motor technology, fairly the same. AC technology is there, but it's just different components that they use. Okay, in modern cars now, evaporators inside the instrument area. Okay, expansion valves, all of that's inside. But what's missing from all of this? We still got a power steering. This year had a power steering mount. AC compressor. I don't even see a compressor. Why do we have? I guess if there was a compressor, it'd be right here. Car this old, you don't not really concerned with AC. I mean, it's a convertible, ain't it? No, it's not really convertible, but it's nice. Look at this thing, guys. He said he gonna hang on to it. All right, so he called me out for this. I can do this. I can't do this, guys. What y'all think? Yeah, I'm a Mopar no car guy. This Mopar. Now, I know y'all gonna get a chuckle out of this. Yeah, my man convinced me a year ago. Matter of fact, watch this video right here. I think I had my little nephew with me, helping me. We replaced this and did tune-up while I was in there. So I guess he got a year out of it. All right, that's not bad. I mean, but I know y'all and y'all Derman lovers. I know it's a bunch of Derman lovers out there. So, but yeah, I can't do much for this, guys. Look at the air filter sitting right on top of the carburetor. It's not a throttle body. Oh, that's so cute. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up, man. I'm gonna get up out of here. It's cool, man.
Hey, come here and get it.
Oh, righty, guys. My work here is done. Okay. Another day, another dollar. Actually, I'm not really concerned with the money, guys. This is a friend of mine. But he still had to pay. Okay, I can't with good conscience just work for free. Even though we cool and I like you, it just goes against my moral ethics. Okay. Yeah, and he feel the same way. He's like, man, I'm not gonna ever call you out here and not shoot you something, because I know you're busy, man. You got things to do, and I do. Right now, I'm about to head to the gym, try to get one in real quick. Remember, today's Sunday, so I got a live stream to do tonight. I gotta go home. I'm trying to prepare for that. Try to be on time. Try to come up with a good topic, and we're gonna do what it do. All right, but y'all, I hear a bunch of buzzers. I know. Look, I know a lot of y'all gonna be like, man, you riding around fixing people's cars. Why don't you fix your own damn car? Yes, guys, warning lights on. I ain't got no gas. Look, I know some of y'all gonna be like, that's how you kill your fuel pump. Brake light on, check engine light, my gas cap light. Yeah, I got issues of my own, but I'm just passing the gas station. I need to go to the gas station. Guys, let me get out of here. Let me do y'all one better. All right, we done. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Now see y'all in the next video.